Welcome to Not Factory Approved. Today's short video is about a surprise project that just landed. Well, actually I landed on it. More to follow. Now here's something I haven't seen before. I was rolling around on the creeper and suddenly it didn't roll anymore. Interesting. It's Westward Tools too. Mind you, I have had it for 30 years, I think, so it's been around. Oh well, don't make things like they used to. So here's a repaired creeper. Funny the things you have to do sometimes. All I did was grind off the spots and weld it back on. And this is the factory side here. Skimpy little welds. Here's my side. Not nearly as professional, but bigger. So obviously better, right? So, works great. And by the way, you have these casters have lots of advantage, but they also have some disadvantage. Funny that. Things get wedged underneath them more easily. It looks like that's getting a little worn too. Such is life. Might have to invest in a new one. But things get jammed underneath and then you can't roll properly. But that happens with the ones that have the metal casters that are on an angle as well. Lots of frustration with them. These ones will roll over a cord, whereas the metal ones won't without damaging the cord. So there you go. About a 25-year-old creeper. Still working. Even though the casters are getting a little wobbly. There'll be another real video coming up soon. I think I'll do well, I don't know what I'll do yet. Stay tuned. It'll be a surprise for both of us. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.